see what we got. Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Chris, Treasure Loft Racing Pigeons. I got my boys out here eating the grit. Got a package in the mail today. It's always exciting getting things from Jed's. So breeding season is over, old bird season is over, the molting season is over, and young bird season has not started yet. So there's not a lot going on right now. It's kind of a boring time with pigeons. I come out and I hang out with the birds and just sit with them and enjoy them. So when there's not much going on, one of the few things to do that's kind of fun and addicting is order stuff online. I might have a problem with shopping for pigeon stuff. So we just got that package in the mail. These are the things that I picked up. All right, so if you guys have not, in the United States, have not shopped from Jed's and taken advantage of their free shipping items, man, you're missing out. Not all of these things came from them, but yeah, some of the stuff on there comes with free shipping, and man, that's awesome because shipping is crazy expensive from these pigeon supply stores. This item shipped for free. These are my nest pads. I finally got my nest bowls sterilized, clean, and that's what they look like with the nest pad in them. Now, I would much rather have something like that for these nest pads to go into than something like that. This is smaller, but at the same time, the space for the pigeons is bigger. There's more room for the birds in this, even though this is smaller around. It takes up less space. So one of these days, I'll pick up some of these. And by the way, these are free shipping from Jed's, so that's pretty sweet. You can pick up these for something like $4, $5 each. You can get them in a couple of days. So one of these days I'll be doing that, but for now I'm just using my dog food dishes that I pick up at Walmart, really cheap. Drilled some holes in the bottom because I was using pine needles for the bedding, and pine needles work really, really good, but the problem is the moisture was not getting out of here. So when the babies were dropping, when the babies putting their droppings in the bottom, there's this thin layer of moisture and they're sitting in it, and it just has room for bacteria to grow. So this year I'm going to be putting in nesting pads, and then I'll put some nest building materials. I've got more pine needles. I'll just put those on the floor in the loft and they can build their nests in there. So yeah, got that. Then let's start over here. Brewer's yeast, always use that. Bath salts, I've used a few. This brand is my favorite. This birds seem to like it. I've had one where you use like a quarter cup of it per bath. So a whole container like this is like 5, 6, 7 baths. This one will last several dozen. Some multi-mineral from Vitaking. Kilpatrick's iodized minerals. I don't use a lot of this, but I mix it into my pink minerals and they get this free choice with the pink minerals. Electrolytes. So when I wean babies and I ship babies, I'm going to be using this to keep them hydrated during those times. And then I've got Ideal pills. Last year I used these. I was giving one to them every day after the babies are 10, 12 days old. I give one per baby. And I say every day, that would be my ideal, but life is busy and I got 3, 4 a week was what I ended up with. So all right, if you guys have any products that you use that you love, let me know. Like I said, I have a problem with shopping for pigeons, so yeah, I'm always game for any new products or anything that might help my birds have an extra edge. I know that you can't buy health. You just need a quality loft, quality birds, the kind that don't get sick as often. But yeah, still fun to buy stuff for the birds. Helps me feel good about it, at least. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you on the next one.